Okay, I'm back. So y'all seen when I made these in the other video. So what I'm gonna do now is basically do like I did last time with these. But I have this thing now to put it on there. But I'm gonna mix match these. Probably do it like this. No. I'm gonna put them. Hope y'all can see me. Put them. Oh shoot. On here like this.
Ew.
Hope it go down on there. That's on this side. Then I'm gonna come on this side and do the same. I don't know if I'm trying to think. Do I want to put purple on this side or just white on this side and purple going up? I think I'm gonna do purple on this side. And then when I'm Okay, so I'm putting it on like this. Cause I don't know, these won't even fit. The hole won't even fit on the string. Well, it'll fit, but I know how I have to have it, but I don't want it to really be like that. So let me just put these big holes on it. And then I'm gonna make sure it's right, tie it up. Make sure it stays there. Then I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna put purple. Then I'm gonna put purple on this side. I'm sorry, I had to switch angles and put my tripod on this, my camera phone on the tripod, and it's real low. But now I'm putting the purple one on here.
There's no more. I can split with you.
Or what? What?
It's okay, I'll go.
What is that?
Tortilla with cheese.
Who made you that?
Baba. I knew he was gonna say that. But then you actually will Mama get some more of these? There's no more tortillas. No. Well, Mama get her food snacks and get it.
You just tell all my business.
What? I want to use these two. Oh, I forgot.
And then put the clear ones on the other side. And I'm going to do the same thing I did with, it goes like this. But I know whenever it gets on there, it's going to turn. Either way, doesn't matter. Still it's going to be cute. I need a lot of these. I'm getting, not really, because I ain't going to use all of them, really. But whew, oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I broke my ring light because it made me mad. So I broke it. And it was doing all kinds of other stuff. But let's get back to the video. I'm putting these. The night ain't my night or something. Sonny, I'm getting aggravated. Ring light broke. The stand part. Had to order me another one. Like, what the world? Yeah, you was. You was laughing at me. Because my stuff was acting dumb. But let me see if this on. Yes, it is. But I'm tired on the. Yeah, I don't think the night is my night. It's my day, night, whatever. Cause honey, but this is what turn it off. This is what I have. So what I'm gonna do is put another one. Where's my keychains at? Get it out of my pocketbook. I need to see how I did this. My mind ain't with me. Bear with me, y'all. I put this on here. I'm gonna do it 5 times. Tie it up 5 times. Make sure it's right. Yep. I think that was 4. This is the last one. Do it the same way I did it last time. Roll it. Put the keychain, the charm on it. Give it that. And you better get every bit of my beads up. Every bit of them. Well, you thought it was so funny when I broke my ring light. Yeah, you was. You was sitting there laughing. That's why you went in there and told Vava so Vava can laugh.
No,
and clown.
She was the only one that was laughing. I was not laughing because I told her that's not funny because Mama was really mad.
These kids. Okay, I had to put this on there. Move. Now, okay, I see. I'm about to say that. Put that down.
You like the ring.
Yeah, smell your finger.
Smell
your finger.
It smell your finger?
Yeah, smell your finger.
You smell nasty.
Hey.
Smell like coochie with that coochie.
Shut up.
Smell like this pretty.
I know it is.
And the teeth and sharp teeth.
So I put that on there like that. Let's see if y'all can see that. Yeah. Let me use this thing again.
Ma, look at your son.
I can't even put it in there. Then said take that game in there. Man, yeah. The night ain't my night. This probably be the last one that I do because I'm getting aggravated. And I don't I ain't right when I'm aggravated. And I don't want y'all to be anxious listening, but you know. I'm gonna put probably the white silver on first on both sides and then the pink. Cut the noise out.
Turn over the TV.
Do the same thing on this one. Like this. Hold on, let me see. Yeah. Then I'm gonna take it, put it, go. I'm gonna tie this 2 times, and this is a smaller thread thing. It's this one. This one, so I can put my beads, these little beads with a little hole in it. Hold on. See if my mic on, cause last time I was talking, it sure enough wasn't on, cause it went dead on me. So, and that pisses me off too. I'm about to just do it off of camera, and then come back and show you all of them. Or I might just do 2 of them, the one that I did and the one right here, because I don't have enough storage on my phone. So yeah, that's what I might just do. Just do 2 of them, and then that'd be the end of the video. Okay, here's the purple one along with the rose red. Again, these again. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. I'll talk to y'all later.